Hello everyone and welcome to safaris.com. In this video, we will talk about how a provider bids on and performs a custom job. First of all, log in with your provider account credentials if you hadn't already. Click the word Services in the navigation menu. Click Browse Job Opportunities in your city button to list customers' custom jobs posted in your city. Here you can filter by job alphabet. You can search by job title. You can search by city/state. You can search by online and offline jobs. Once you've identified the opportunity you are looking for, click the title of the job in the pane. Click the Apply button. Note that to be allowed to bid on any contract, you will have to have set your account up for the verification level required for the job. The system will not allow you to proceed without it. So it is recommended that as soon as your new provider account has been approved, you should verify Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3 immediately thereafter. After clicking Apply, you will have to specify your budget and time frame you think you need to complete the job successfully. For instance, if today's date is September 2nd and the job is due on September 7th, select days from the drop-down and type in 5 in the next field. Please observe that the due date has been calculated automatically. Click Apply. You are now on the job management form. This is where you would manage the job to its completion. Use the messenger form to communicate with the customer. Next, you wait for the customer to either award you the job or otherwise. If you have been awarded the job, the customer would specify the total awarding budget for all milestones to be created under this job. He or she would then create all the associated milestones by specifying milestone title, description, budget and time frame for each milestone. For instance, if the general budget is $250, the customer will create multiple milestones if he or she chooses to do so, and then assigns portions of the $250 to each milestone in such that when tallied, the combined milestones budget would equal or be superior to $250. Once the milestones have been created by the customer, you as the provider must accept to perform the first milestone for the customer to be able to fund it. If you do not get back to the job management form to accept the job, it would not be funded. At this point, we will assume that you have accepted to perform the job. The customer will receive a notification to fund the first milestone. Once funded, the milestone will be moved to active and funded stage. Once you've received another notification that the milestone has been funded, you would then proceed to perform the job and then submit proof for your customer's review. For the purpose of this video, we will show you how the provider is forced by the customer to redo a job that the customer has not approved of. We will reject the first submission and allow the provider to resubmit in order to show you how this works. To view rejected deliverables, the provider clicks on the link for rejected deliverables. Once the provider resubmits the deliverables, and the customer is okay with the new revised version, he clicks Accept to receive the deliverables. Since we have set up 2 milestones, upon completing the first, the system would prompt the customer to fund the second milestone. At this stage, you can request the customer to release the first milestone money, which has been sitting in escrow with Safaris. Once the customer releases the money, you will be notified in email. Please note that simply because the customer has released the money in escrow, it does not signify that the money would hit your bank account automatically. You will have to request a payout from your dashboard. Check our video about how to check account balance and request payout, and learn how to do this. Once all milestones have been completed and all associated funds have been requested and released, the system would then present the feedback form to both the customer and the provider to rate each other's performance and responsiveness throughout the project execution. You may need to rewatch the services flow presented in this video one more time to get it. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.